Alright, so I decided to talk about point mutations in DNA sequences. The point mutations that we're going to talk about include missense, nonsense, silent, and read-through. We're also going to talk about transitions versus transversions and identify them, so let's talk about that first. A transition would be seen with a purine to a purine or a pyrimidine to a pyrimidine. A transversion would be seen with a pyrimidine to a purine or vice versa. Purines include A and G, and pyrimidine includes C, T, and U. Moving on from this, we will start with the coding strand and transcribe and translate it. The coding strand looks like this. Once it is transcribed, it will look like this. We will then translate it and put the relative amino acids under it. Although there is a stop codon, I will put the last amino acid just for completeness. The first point mutation we will look at would be missense. A missense mutation would change the amino acid. An example of this, going off of our initial sequence, would be this. This would be a transversion. The next one we will look at will be a nonsense point mutation. This would result in a change in a codon that would result in a stop codon. This would be a transversion as well. The next point mutation we will talk about will be silent. The silent mutation codes for the same amino acid, which makes it silent. This would be a transition. The last point mutation that we will talk about will be the read-through point mutation. This results in a stop codon changing to a different codon that allows for more codons to be read. This would also be a transition.